Alright, so we've got a trig verification problem here. So what we're going to have to do in order to verify this is to get this side and then change it in order to get equal to the right side. So what we're going to do first is make a common denominator out of both of these, because this is going to make simplifying it a lot easier later on, and it's going to make it just a lot more efficient. So what we're going to do is multiply this fraction by the opposite denominator. So that would be 1 plus cosine theta. And then multiply with numerator and denominator. Just like that. And then we're going to multiply this one by the opposite denominator, which is sine theta. So therefore, once we expand this all out, we will get 1 plus 1 times cosine is cosine, and then another 1 times cosine is just cosine. Therefore, that'll be 2 plus 2 cosine theta plus cosine times cosine is cosine squared theta. Similarly, sine times sine is sine squared theta over sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta, because that's our common denominator. And then we're just going to say this is equal to the right-hand side, so we don't have to keep writing this out. So cosine squared plus sine squared, well, that's just 1. And then when you add 1 and 1 to combine like terms, you get 2 plus 2 cosine theta over sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta equals right-hand side. Now I can just factor this 2 out, which will give us 2 times 1 plus cosine theta over sine theta times 1 plus cosine theta. So these 1 plus cosines can cancel out, and then we'll be left with 2 over sine, which is the same thing as saying, 2 times 1 over sine theta. And 1 over sine theta is just cosecant theta. So therefore, the result is 2 cosecant theta. And then what we started with up here is also 2 cosecant theta. So therefore, 2 cosecant theta equals 2 cosecant theta. So therefore, this trigonometric verification is verified.